Hi everyone, Jeff Spindler from MDA Insurance. We're here today to talk a little bit about cyber liability and data breach insurance. Hopefully you've taken a few minutes to educate yourself about the HIPAA and HITECH laws and how they affect your office. So today we're going to take it a step farther and talk a little bit about what you can do to protect yourself should your risk management or training materials in your office, programs in your office, procedures in your office fail to avoid a data breach or loss of patient information. Consider the number of ways that patient information is stored. Protected health information, financial information, whatever the case might be. It can be stored on paper, it can be stored on a cell phone or smartphone, it can be stored on a flash drive, it can be stored on an iPad or tablet. Consider if you keep financial information of patients or some patient charts on any of these devices and misplace them, or they're stolen, or they're lost. That would be a data breach situation. Under the HIPAA HITECH law, in that situation, you could be required to notify your patients that a breach has occurred. Consider the costs of just simply mailing your patients a letter indicating that a breach has possibly occurred in your office. If you have 3,000 patients, you could be talking about a $1,500 to $2,000 expense. If you find later that a breach has in fact occurred, you could be required to provide credit monitoring to your patients. This costs $200 to $250 a year per person. If you take a 3,000 person office or 3,000 patient base in your office, you could be talking about a $60,000 to $65,000 expense on top of what you already spent to mail them the original notice. You can see how quickly something as simple as a flash drive falling out of your pocket or a piece of discarded paper with important health information on it can lead to big expenses for you if you don't take the appropriate steps. At MDA Insurance, we have several insurance programs available that can protect you against data breach and cyber liability losses. I encourage you to strongly consider this type of protection in your office. The Beazley program that we offer, for example, not only provides an insurance component, but it also provides valuable training materials, compliance materials, and risk management materials for you to use for you and your staff, not only to train them on what HIPAA and HITECH laws are and what protected health information and personal identifiable information is, but how to handle that information and how to prevent a loss. If a loss does occur, for example, this policy will take it one step farther and provide the coverage you need to pay for any expenses or liability that you occur in situations such as that. This threat is real. There are a number of different ways that this information can be compromised. There are a number of different types of information that can be compromised. This is not something that you should take lightly. As a professional, as somebody who works with hundreds if not thousands of patients, this is something that you need to take very, very seriously. Insurance is a very important component of your overall strategy to deal with this risk, and I strongly encourage you to learn more about what programs are available and what it would cost you. I think you'll find that the cost is very, very affordable. Get on our website at mdaprograms.com, click on Insurance, and under the Commercial tab you'll see Cyber Liability. In that section you'll find information on what our program is and what it offers. You'll find educational links about what the HIPAA and HITECH laws are and how they could affect you, and you'll also find a link to an application that you can download and fill out if you'd like to take an insurance policy out. Again, educate yourself on the HIPAA and HITECH laws. Second, find an insurance policy to complete your strategy of managing the cyber liability and data risk. It's a very real risk, it's a very serious risk, and it's one that you should take seriously as well. If you'd like more information, again, visit our website, or you can call us at 1-800-860-2272. Thank you very much.